Hey y'all, so I'm back and today we're gonna be making copycat Frisch's bacon cheeseburgers. And here I have some cheddar cheese, some jalapenos, some real bacon crumbles, and then some ground beef. And over here I have our bacon going. Ooh, and it's just about finished. I'm gonna just cut that off because that's actually done. I don't really like the crispy. We don't like the crispy bacon. Ooh, and I done made it crispy. Ooh, he gonna be bad. But, okay. Okay, so, getting ready to mix this ground beef up. And I got some salt in here and some pepper. Okay then. You might hear my son rapping on camera. That's what they do. I had to smell that. It smelled a little weird, but I forgot the tanginess of the jalapeno. I don't know why I put these gloves on. I'm trying to be fancy. I don't even like, I can't even feel the meat, y'all. Okay. So I'm going to take these off, and then I'm going to mix. Okay, and I'm back, and I'm turning this back on. I got my stove on about a medium, so that will be about a 5. You know what, I'm going to turn it to a 4.5 because this is a new stove, and this baby be cooking real fast. We don't need all that. So, in here, this is the skillet that I cooked my bacon in.
I know what you're thinking, but this glove is a fresh glove.
Kind of see that?
Okay, so don't be like me. Please make sure your skillet is hot and your grease is popping when them babies get in there and they get the sizzling right on up. I don't know why I didn't turn my skillet on, but it's about to get cracking.
Skillet. I'm gonna smash it down a little bit because I kind of want the burgers to be smashed some, so I'm gonna smash them while cooking. You know what? I'm gonna turn that up just a little bit so we can like sear those sides. Yeah, sprinkle a little pepper on top. Some pepper and just a little bit more salt because I really didn't put any salt. Because we have that bacon inside of there, and bacon is full of sodium anyway, so just need a little bit.
So I had already added salt and pepper in the beginning, but I didn't record that.
Bacon grease, and they starting to fry. Yeah. I'm gonna try to smash them. I needed 2 spatulas, but I don't have 2. So I'm gonna try to smash them down so they can hold their shape. Oh, they're gonna be too big for the buns. That's okay. Let me see. They smell good too. It's gonna be so good. My baby in the back keep talking about cocoa melon. Kids love cocoa melon. Move that around a little bit. Try to sear it on both sides. This cheese all melty, and the jalapeno, the tanginess from the jalapeno, and that good old cheese. I love me some cheese, y'all. Put it on everything. Put that on everything. Let me see. Whoa, I done got wool everywhere, Lord. Why did I flip it like that? Look, I ain't no professional, but I does my thing, okay? Okay, smash it down. Not too hard. I'm just trying to sear it to keep those juices in the inside. But I like the burgers when they're smashed some. That's because I don't really like them big, fat, thick burgers, bro. Ooh, look at that jalapeno. Oh, y'all can see that. That's looking amazing. Oh, it's popping everywhere. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn it down to a 4 and put that lid on top of there. I'm gonna go over here and put my fries on. Got my fries on in a deep fryer. Everything's looking so good. They're looking good. See that bacon, jalapeno, and that cheese? Got my buns over here toasting, and we just have some brioche buns over here in this pan. Toasting up. Got my fries over there in the deep fryer. Got the bacon done. Oh Lord, we done dropped the phone, y'all. Okay, we back. Everything going as planned. Look good. Ooh, them burgers look good. Okay. So, hey, y'all. I'm done. It's smelling real good in this house. I got my apple cran, grape juice, and we about to test this burger. Look at this, y'all. Amazing. And I'm about to bite this baby. Get out my mouth. Yes, okay. This is amazing. The bacon in there. The cheese. I'm not about to break up my burger, y'all. But it's so good. And I'm all messy. And so, let me know what y'all like to see. I thank y'all for viewing. Got bread all over my teeth. Please subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, I'll see y'all. Peace.